Hey man, what's going on? What's good? The title of the video is I'm creating electrician and plumbing angels to do plumbing and electrician. So I want to create, I want you, I want an electrician and plumbing angels to come to assistance. You feel me? Ward angels. These are going to be ward, all of them are ward angels. Come to assistance. You feel me? Now, I want your electricians also want carpenters, carpenter angels, carpenters, and teaching angels, teachers angels, do teachings. But I'll get to those ones later. But first, and I want some more stuff that I need. You feel me? Everything that I need come to this system. Everything that I need to do what I need to do come to this system. Okay, so now, so this plumbing and electrician angel. Feel me? While the construction angels build the houses and do other stuff, you guys would learn about electrician and plumbing, you know what I'm saying? You already know how to do it. And you are going to start doing the electricity, the electrician work and plumbing in houses, whether it's houses, school, skyscrapers, jails, hospitals, clinics, stores, restaurants, stores, whatever it is, whatever building it is, you do the plumbing and the electricity. You feel the electrician work for the wiring, do the wiring for the house. You feel me? So, and you will make sure that the ground that whenever these people will bring the house to the ground, to the earth in 1,000 years, that is already you would do the plumbing work. That way it connects to the house. You feel me? That way plumbing, they get good plumbing. You feel me? You do the gutterways and all that stuff. You feel me? And whoever does the gutters and all this plumbing on the ground, you do that. And the creators and do it. So you do this, so y'all would do that. Or y'all would do it. You do the plumbing on the ground, the pipes and laying the pipes and all that stuff. You feel me? Now I want you to bring your own wires into existence. You bring your own wires into existence. I want you to learn all the wiring that they use. I want you to create your own wiring for your electricians and whatever you need, things you need and tools you need, create your own tools. If your plumbers, I want you to create your own pipes. You create your own pipes, bring it to existence, and create it with the resources. I want your electrician angels to bring your wiring and your tools into existence and create it with the resources. I want you angels to bring your tools into existence, your pipes and whatever you need into existence, and create it with your creating with the resources, build it with the resources. Because we gonna sell those tools. Tools you need for plumbing, whatever things you need to do. We gonna sell them. I wanna have a warehouse where I sell tools. I wanna have a warehouse where I sell tools. Then you can work in a house or school. Work on stuff. Then you need to work on stuff. I'll talk about that later. But yeah, man. Guess what it is though? I'm finna get all this money, and electricians and plumbers make a lot of money. 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 You feel me? So, 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 so we have plumbers. So we have plumbers. So we have plumbers. So we have plumbers. And we have electricians. You feel me? It's y'all to do do your wiring and sell wires. Feel me? A lot of wires. So it is cable wires, and house wires, I'm saying power box wires. You feel me? So, I want you to do your wiring and do your wires. Feel me? Sell the wires. Feel me? And put it on the marketplace. Plumbing. I want you to do your plumbing and sell your tools and the things you make for plumbing, the pipes, or whatever you need, or whatever you do for plumbing on the marketplace, and also sell your service as a plumber. And also any angel or demon that does that type of work, plumbing and electrician work, feel me? Hire them. Feel me? Need you to hire them, and you know what I'm saying, we're gonna start a business, plumbing and electrician company. Feel me? All these houses in the building don't need a plumber, don't need an electrician. So y'all go and as a construction worker build a house. Y'all go pay for people to do the plumbing. Then plumbing come and build a house, you do the plumbing, they'll pay for everything. And then when they want to put on the ground, they'll pay again for you to do the plumbing to connect the ground pipes to the house pipes. And design the floor. You feel me? Yo, we gotta, we gonna get this money though. But I can't wait. I can't wait to see y'all. But I dream about this money. Like, chin chin. People pay for all that. That will make the price of the house go expensive. Boy. You have plumbing, you have electricians, you have plumbers, fix everything. You gotta talk about the campus. They'll build me furniture, all type of things. Cupboards, type of things. Uh-huh. That's why them had, because I could sit my hand in the house and create people, create angels. Hmm. Sit my hand in the house, in my house, one bed, wake up, do a video, say I want to create an angel. Or anything, I create angels, I create humans. You feel me? Everybody's an angel now and then, so, yep. And your electrician, fallen angels, create you, male and female, angels and demons. Feel me? So create your angelic and demons. And then one, so you don't get to brand good and evil lie, good and evil lie, male and woman lie. Female houses for females, there will be houses. Make money, boys, y'all work together. Male and female, I know the female need a male, but they work with the male to do the hard work. Females do the hard work too. Right? I see the male. Yeah, we gonna make money. And you could do any other ventures too. And y'all ended up creating, y'all can do other ventures that you want to do, that you want to pursue. You don't have to do plumbing. If you know, any other business that you want to pursue. But you're waiting for me. And this is what I want you to do. Maybe do other things, learn other things. Do other things, all of y'all. Do other things. Every last one of y'all that I'll create. Every last one of y'all created. Every do other things. But that'll be one of your specialties. Feel me? I want to create different types. You feel me? To tackle different projects. You feel me? To tackle different projects. Feel me? To tackle different projects. Amen. And that's why they talk shit. Feel me? They try to act like nothing's happening. Oh no, oh no, you're not creating no angel. Oh no, you're not creating no house. Oh no, you not do this, you should not do that. You ain't seen it, and yeah, don't show this false man of God nothing. Don't do nothing for the love behind people. Don't do nothing for this false, especially this false man of God. Don't do the love behind. This false man or woman of God. Don't do nothing for the love behind people. Don't get them shit. Don't let them give access to nothing. Don't let them see nothing. And then y'all try to let them see y'all gotta sign an NDA. Everybody, any bitch got to sign an NDA. What they just making everybody sign an NDA. Everybody coming in, everybody here, I'm sign an NDA. Feel me? No disclosure. So when they try to disclose anything to anybody, it disappears. try to show anybody anything despairs. They can't see it. I just say my work. Show these people how they could lie. They could act all day long. They could use demons to act all day long. But they're not getting shit. They don't know shit. So I'm not worried about nothing. You feel me? I'm just trying to act like, oh, you're not, oh, no, we don't know nothing. You don't have no angels. You don't do nothing. I'll be like, okay, I don't have no angels. That's cool. But you don't have no angels. That thing about they don't have angels. They don't have no power. But they want to try to make it seem like I don't have no power. You feel me? I'm not trying to do magic, sorcery, hiding everything I create. So that way, you feel me, with magic, hide everything I create, everything I do. So that way they'll try to figure out a way to try to steal it or try to use it. You feel me? Try to use it against me and claim it's theirs. You feel me? Try to make money off it. You feel me? But they can't make money off this one. They can't make money off my powers. They can't. My powers don't listen to us. Our powers don't listen to us. You feel me? They don't listen to nobody. Our angels don't listen to us. Angels in heaven don't listen to us. Feel me? God has us. Feel me? Feel me? Alright. Because I'm a Godhead too. My wife is a Godhead. My children are Godhead. Our children are Godhead. Strippers are Godhead. 6ix9ine is a Godhead. Gucci Mane is a Godhead. Bashir is a Godhead. The wives are Godheads. Goddess heads. You feel me? My wife is a goddess head. You feel me? My wife will be the top Godhead. And I'll be the top goddess head. And I'll be the top Godhead. And Trippin' 6ix9ine will be under us. And be God. You feel me? He will always be top to us, but that's how you put it. You put us up front. Downtown, man. Downtown the room. You feel me? And my son will be under me. Then 6ix9ine, Gucci Mane, Tripper ass, 6ix9ine, Gucci Mane, Bashir, the wife, my children, my children. My children will be goddess and goddess heads, goddess and goddess heads. Our children will be goddess and goddess heads. But our male children will be God heads, and our female children will be goddess heads. Yeah, man. So that's what we're gonna do, man. So we're gonna create. Wires and all type of wiring, wire all type of stuff. You feel me? I'm trying to create all type of wiring to wire all type of stuff. Electrician stuff, everything electrical. They do electrical. Whatever electricians do. And you plumbers, everything they do, everything plumbing. Whatever plumbers do. You feel me? Like, for real. This is how we're gonna make money. And offer our services to people. And people stuff. And make way things to break, but it takes a long time for it to break though. Things get messed up when you create, you build, and then they'll need a repair. You feel me? So that will keep us in business. Anyway, bye y'all. That's it.